So hey there, well, today's video I'm actually heading down to a market here in Phuket to pick up some mangoes and some fruit, anything else I can find. So, and it's kind of be a little bit of a walking tour along the way, so kind of cool. And follow me along and let's go on this little market adventure. See all the rides along the way. So yesterday I was over in Patong Beach, kind of did a little of a walk around there. Pretty nice. And if you haven't seen that video, I'll leave it in the link. And it kind of give you an updated idea what it looks like over there. And I really enjoyed that area. But I got some really cool upcoming adventures, so I'm just kind of easing. And just doing some real local stuff. As I said before, I got an upcoming trip, just waiting on a visa clearance. And I don't want to say what that country is just yet, but I'm really looking forward to it. Now there's actual market right here, but I'm not going to stop at this one. I'm just going to pass by it and kind of show you what it looks like. This is part of the night market, but obviously they sell fruit during the day, so that's pretty neat. Mangoes are really a hit this year. This is just a little food court you can stop at anytime during the day. It's really rocking in the evening time, and this is just kind of passing through on my way to the first market. So just a quick stop here and just give you an idea on what it actually looks like here on a normal day, on a hot afternoon actually. I call it typical activity for a Saturday. Actually, you couldn't tell what day it is really. Although when I was in Patong yesterday, it was rather busier there, and hence the name of that video was Patong is the mega hub tourist destination in Phuket. So on the way over, I ran into this shrine right here, which is a Chinese shrine. It's the Taoism temple, and go there and check it out. Very beautiful. The inside. History of it right here. And there is the name, which I believe I pronounced semi-correctly, which is the Po Sing Tai Tea, and that kind of gives a little brief history of it on its origin. They have it in different languages. To the market, I just love stopping by and seeing historical landmarks. It really makes my day. So off to the market. I just arrived at this market, my destination. So let's go in there and check it out, see what they have. Gonna get my mangoes, maybe get some yellow ones, some green ones. So I love markets. No matter what country I'm in, I always go to them. They're a lot of fun. So this is what you can get here. Really good Thai food. Sweaty cup. And one thing nice is you can really get some great fresh veggies. And there's just so much selection here on any one of these markets. Check it out. I'll kind of slow it down a little bit. Everything here, I mean, it's all what you call organic, you know what I mean? No chemical added to it. Sweaty cup? Sabadi Mike cup? You can always find a lot of coconuts. And look at these. This is neat. Kind of fruit they have will just kind of go all the way around, starting for I was just at the coconuts, and they will prepare them for you. 50 baht for a pineapple, 10 baht for those little small little things. Look at these things. Things are tiny, like baseballs. And different style mangoes and various price. These are really good ones right here. These are absolutely sweet. Had some the other day. And these are sour, and we'll get some of those. This is the passion fruit, dragon fruit, and he's putting some yellow passion fruit, longan. This is pre-cut. Pineapple, already cut. What? Red guava. I haven't had a red guava. I've had a pink one. Let me try some of those. Maybe. How much per kilo?
1 kilo 50.
Okay, can you get me 3 of these? 3 mangoes? 3 orange, 3 yellow. Yep.
Okay.
And I'm looking for green mangoes too. You have green mangoes? Oh, I'll go to the other side. She had some green ones over there.
Very sweet.
Oh yeah, get me a couple of those too. Two of those. Yes, yes. Oh, excellent. I know, I love mangoes.
Green mangoes.
Green? Oh, it's okay. Right here, it's good enough.
Okay.
These two? Yep. Kapun. Ah. Let's see, what's the final outcome price? He's weighing them right now.
Okay.
174? Okay, here you go.
Okay.
Oh, you can keep it. Don't worry about it. You can just throw those in here. Katun ka. Sabadi mai ka. You can keep. You can keep. Yeah, that's for you. Yeah, that's for you. That's for her. I don't want it. Kapkun ka.
Ka.
I love mangoes. Now we're gonna go get some green ones. I gotta speak to this lady over here. Now here's some. She's pointing out some mangosteen, but mangosteen this time of year are a little bit pricey. I mean, they're going for 300 baht a kilo. That is, let's say around September, October, you can get them down to about 40 baht a kilo. But they're really good. But look at all this other fruit they have here. So these are the green ones. The green ones are good for putting, let's say, bagaon, which is a shrimp sauce, because they're going to be sour. Or I like putting them there with a Thai spice. So you get a one. Now let's get kind of this one. And let's see. I'm trying to find a really nice dark green one. A bit worn on that, but this is not bad. So just a couple of them. Oh, we'll get 3 of them here. It's a bit rotted there. Oh, 2 is good. So we're gonna get these. I think these are gonna be good. Nice and sour with a little bit of Thai spice or bagaon. I put that on almost everything I eat. I love very spicy.
Very spicy.
So that was very neat, visiting this market, and I found just about everything I needed. And my primary goal was to get mangoes. So I got a couple green ones and some yellow ones that are sweet. And actually, this time of year is the best time, I believe, to get mangoes. Sometimes the hardest part is navigating across the road. Now, I'm gonna head down this way. See, you got these little places along the way. I mean, fruit stands are absolutely everywhere. So on the way back, I ran into this place called the Super Cheap. I've been seeing them around Phuket. I've been into them a few times, but let's go in there and check it out and see what it's like. Let's see here. I think it's kind of like a huge 7-Eleven, but they have veggies in here too. Look at this. Canned food, canned tuna. Very convenient though. But continue on. A little bit crowded in there. So maybe another day I'll go a little bit slower. I didn't really need anything in there anyway. So you can see how busy that was in that little store. It depends on what time of day you're actually going in there. That was probably the peak time. But I just kind of wanted to go in there, check it out. Didn't really need anything in there, but it's always nice to know what's available, and there's plenty of it. Back home, kind of get a lay of the land here. It's always good to know your surroundings wherever you're at. I do this all the time. Sorry, cut. No, thank you. No, thank you.
For sip, we have a smoothie, 30 baht.
30 baht?
Yes.
For a
30 baht.
smoothie?
Fresh one.
Really? I could use one of those. Okay, let's go. All right, great. Yeah. She kind of flagged me inside, but it's a hot afternoon. Very simple. That's just that, yep. I'm here at this place called the Red Corner, and I just ordered a smoothie. But I'll show you what else they have here. Look at the size of these guys. Wow. Those are big. Look at that guy. Whoa. That's big. So here it is. Mango smoothie and a nam, which is water in Thai. So check it out. Very good. Good for a long walk today. So that was really good. 50 baht for a mango smoothie and a nam. Very tasty. And a good refreshment for my long hike today. Heading back. Sawadi Kap, Sabaidi Mai Kap. You remember me, right? Yes, yes, yes. I'm back again.
Yeah.
Can you get me three ears? I absolutely love this barbecue corn. I have got this corn numerous times. Yes, salt. No butter though.
No butter.
Look at this. He makes the best barbecue corn. What's your name, man?
My name is Bao.
Bao? Okay, Bao. Bao. Bao is an absolute awesome corn guy. You remember me though, right?
Come back again.
Yes, yes. Look at this corn.
How are you, Kap?
Pretty good, pretty good.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Kap. How long you stay Thailand?
Oh, long time.
Long time,
There you go.
Okay.
Oh, you keep, man.
ขอบคุณครับ
Kap kong ka.
ขอบคุณครับ
Sawadi Kap. Thank you. Sabaidi Mai Kap.
Sawadee Kap.
So this is the end of this video of my trip over to the market. Picked up some really good mangoes. Got some green ones, some yellow ones. Picked up some prik, which is like chili in Thai. And you know, the really cool thing is that I actually ran into a shrine temple on the way, so I got to check that out. You know, if this content helps you out, please consider giving me a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. It does help out my channel. And please consider subscribing also. I got a lot of cool adventures coming up. This is just the beginning. I mean, I've only been here for, you know, just under a week. So I got a lot more exciting activities to explore, in not only here but in other countries. So see ya from beautiful Phuket, Thailand. I hope to see you in my next video. So see ya.